Here's a update on the rain catchment tarp. It's just a minimal effort expense. It may not work out. There's a lot of uneven spots here. Water's going to pool up, but the hope is that enough of it, or the bulk of it, will spill into the pipe at the end. This is a 1-inch PVC hose, or like flexible thing, and that line is running from the low spot down the road and then winds around over the bunker and then down the hill. And it's 100 foot worked out just right, and it'll connect. There's a valve down there just above the valve on that inlet. And, so we'll see how it works. And I think I can, I have a pump down there. I think I can test it. And this was so crude, I mean, I have to admit. But I just rolled up the tarp up over the bricks to form a border, and put some of this. This was a low spot, real low, and used that kind of pipe, drain pipe. Expands to 10-foot lengths, 4-inch diameter. Very inexpensive, and it may not work at all, but we'll try, and I may even be able to use this drain pipe to fill it, possibly. No, I don't know, but I can pressurize the line to get some, at least from at that end. I can start to fill it and see what happens. Okay, just giving the thing a test run. I use my pump down there to pressurize the system, the house pump. And so just checking to see how the flow goes. Of course, in a heavy downpour, the thing will probably, well, hard to say. Ideally, all these humps are below the edges. Well, I guess it wouldn't matter anyway. You just have little islands, a couple little islands, dry islands. But everything would be caught by the tarp and then flow out down there. It seems to be working fine. Hasn't quite made it, has it? It's coming. It's about to breach. A little hump here, but below these edges. Let's just let it run a few more minutes. Okay, just a couple minutes later, and the water's staying within the confines and arriving at this low point here. So, it's good enough for a trial run. Let's see, what do we got here? Well, we'll see how it works. Well, I'm satisfied now. There's a big pond of water down there, about ready to spill. It was spilling, and yet all the sides are holding. So I guess a heavy downpour, you might have some spillage, but I think most of it's going to enter the intake pipe. Okay, thanks.